Yes, my lord.
Lordship, here, Lordship, the case was first moved on 31/10/23. Since then, Lordship, repeated adjournment has been sought. Till date, Lordship, adjournment has been made on their prayer, Lordship. But Lordship, going by the records, Lordship, records also needs to be updated, Lordship. So last opportunity will be given.
My lord.
Third.
My lord.
3rd of January.
My lord, can be on 9th, my lord, 9th, my lord. 9th. Sorry, my lord. My lord. Deeply understand.
May please, I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship.
1-3.
1-3, Lordship. There's some typographical error in the post title in the prayer, Lordship. May I permit to file an interlocutory application to rectify the same? Okay.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, item number 28. May I kindly adjourn for that?
Matter relates to what? NDPS.
NDPS, Lordship. Obliged.
Lord, please, Lordship. So, item number 33, we have prayed for a VC.
Adjournment.
No, sir. VC for VC, video conference.
Have you applied?
Yes.
When?
Yesterday.
I said April. Wait a minute. Yes, ma'am. Wait.
May I please, Your Lordship, my prayer is for listing anticipatory bail, Lordship, but today, Lordship.
No, we are not allowing anyone.
Lordship, 34, Lordship, item number 34, Lordship. In that case also, charge sheet has been filed.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I am appearing for the petitioner, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, charge sheet has not been completed till now, Lordship. So I have some submission, Lordship.
Okay, let
So
them
that
matter
was
read.
Not completed, Lordship.
Let them matter read.
charge sheet has not been completed, Lordship. The main accused, the charge sheet has till now not completed, and I have some
Let them matter
judgment,
read.
Lordship.
Let the matter read.
And let the matter come, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, application under Lordship 483 of BNSS, Lordship. Lordship is a Hodai PS case number 483/2024 under section 20B2B NDPS Act, Lordship. Lordship, he is arrested on 23/11/24.
Lordship, we are wrongly made the party in this case, Your Lordship. It's a Hodai PS case number. It's not an NDPS case or NCV crime. So they have wrongly made us the party.
So,
Lordship, we may be allowed to, Lordship, amend the cost title through registry, Lordship. In the meantime, Lordship, CD may be called for, Lordship. Lordship, he is a ailing mother, Lordship, has a fracture in her legs, Lordship. Kindly, Lordship, CD may be called for, Lordship. In the meantime, we will amend the cost title, Lordship.
so I have a copy to Mr. Sharma.
Yes,
Now
Lordship.
Now itself. What's your good name?
A Mena, Lordship. It's not in the cause list today.
And how can we make a prayer? If your
Lordship,
name is not there.
Lordship, assisted by Dr. Aziz Khan, Lordship, A Khan, Lordship. Please.
Someone on behalf of
Yes,
the
Lordship.
petitioner, someone has to be there.
Lordship, he is here, Lordship.
You have not signed the wakalatnama.
Madam, I am A Khan.
So have him a copy.
Yes,
Yes,
Lordship.
Lordship.
We'll do that. Namaste.
एक तरह से मन
बोला ना इंटीमेशन होना भी दिया वो इंटीमेशन नहीं किया Oh, no. 10th of January. Mr. Sharma, for the time being.
May present. The regular bail application, madam. NDPS Act, commercial quantity. I'm behind the bar since 11/7. So 162 days behind the bar as on today.
10th
apply.
Your good name, sir. Your good name.
MD A Rahman, Your Lordship.
Your name is not there in Okalatnama. Will not allow. I will not. Mr. Raman, minority petitioner. Take steps during the course of the day, my lord. On the respond number 2, inform and respond number 2. Yes, from Kokrajhar, Gosaigaon.
Lordship. Lordship, they'll take steps, Lordship, let it be 20, Lordship.
Was arrested when?
Got arrested on 24/10, maybe little earlier, my lord. Second week. 24/10, my lord.
Others are not there at all.
Already 58 days in detention, my lord.
You understand? Get it by 10th.
My lord, my lord. Grateful, my lord.
Please, Your Lordship. Okay, POXO Act, my lord, section 8.
Just a minute. Take steps, Mr. Nawab.
My lord,
On the respond number.
respondent number 2, my lord.
Just a minute. Now the custody is in. I thought. Inform Mr. Nawaz that your case has been listed today.
Yes, my lord.
We'll take it up before 1.
My lord.
Okay, ask Mr. Halu.
Hello, my lord. I'll inform you.
Take steps on the rest.
My lord, my lord.
This is from
This is from Bongaigaon, my lord.
same date.
Lordship. Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, 483 application of PNS Act, lordship. Lordship, I was arrested on 2/12,
Bokazan.
lordship.
Yes, sir.
Bokazan PS, lordship. Lordship, already 19 days I am behind the bar, lordship. And lordship, the allegation is under section 299, 325, 3 and 5 of
10, lordship,
PNS
10.
Act.
10th already having many cases.
Lordship.
They are having anyway. We can have it for a time being. Okay.
10. 10.
10.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship.
Take steps on the inform and respond number 2
Yes, Your Lord.
during the course of the day.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Mr.
S. Paul.
Likichwa. Pending before whom now?
Before Your Lordship,
Eligible scan copy. Photo.
Session Judge
Special judge.
Baksa, Your Lordship. Special POXO, Your Lordship. Special POXO Judge Baksa.
Also. Acha, Musul. Special POXO case number 116/2024. Along with reports of case diary of Musalpur case number 106/2024. 28th of January. Up to date reports as on 21st January. But 23rd January. 29 22nd January.
Lordship, date your,
28th of January.
date, please, Your Lordship.
Lordship, this is a regular bail application, Lordship. In this case, petition number 2 is a student, Lordship. His examination is going on. Lordship, for the first semester, Lordship, BA, that I've annexed the schedule, Lordship. His 32 and 33, Lordship. Here, Lordship, already 39 days in jail custody, along with there are 3 petitioner, Lordship. Under Lordship, the money already been recovered, Lordship. They have cited, Lordship, 10,000 has been spent for filling their card, Lordship. Now, Lordship, this student.
This is only exam schedule.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is the proof that you are a student of that college?
Lordship, 32, Lordship is.
32 is the exam schedule.
32 is the Lordship, 33 is the exam schedule, Lordship. And 32 is that Lordship examination.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, this forwarding at page 27. Lordship will find at page 28, Lordship, one of the accused, Lordship Abu Hanifa. He was earlier arrested at Sansari PS case, Lordship. Forwarding page 28, Lordship, grounds of arrest, point number F.
So for other two petitioners, Lordship, there is no previous case, Lordship.
No, there is of no matter, Lordship. Regarding petition number 2, Lordship, I leave it to your Lordship. But regarding 1 and 3, Lordship, may kindly call for the case study. Only because he's a education purpose, Lordship.
See, somebody possessing fake gold. Who is the crime?
Lordship, page 27, Lordship.
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, there, Lordship, will see brief of the case, last paragraph, Lordship. Just 5 or 6 lines above, Lordship. During verbal interrogation, they stated they did a fake gold deal at Tezpur with a Punjabi person and snatched rupees 1 lakh cash from the said Punjabi person and threatened him not to tell anybody about the incident. On the way to Mangalmara, they used rupees 5,000 as expenditure on fueling the vehicle and taking food in hotel. They also have informed us that many persons involved in this fake gold business and cheat people by selling this fake gold.
See, unless somebody has complained that it's a fake gold, somebody has to sell, it's a cheating,
Lordship,
right?
yes.
What is the crime?
Lordship, the case that you will have to be paid us, Lordship. Whether
That is the reason we're asking you.
Lordship.
Somebody picking a fake gold. Who is the crime?
Lordship, this guy.
Somebody has been selling it to someone and he has been
Yes,
cheated.
that is what.
That when he complains, that will be a different thing.
No victim has come up.
That is
Hold
what-
on.
That is what is in your forwarding, Lordship. On the lieu of Lordship, this showing it as original gold, Lordship, they are selling it and cheating persons, Lordship. And all these are from this area only, Lordship. There's earlier also gone to one case very.
You can understand, but thing is,
Yes, Lordship. And Lordship, since petitioner number 1 is already involved, Lordship, that must be recorded, Lordship. He's already involved in one case, Lordship, Sansari PS case.
look at it. It is. What university? Which university?
Lordship Madhavdev. Lordship, it's a Madhavdev University, Lordship.
Yes. Read the top at page 32.
Yes, Lordship, Madhavdev University, Lordship, examination from the examination session first semester, regular 24-25 batch, and then third semester, examination course BA, Bachelor of Arts, Honors Arts, Lordship. Petitioner name is there, Lordship, Naziruddin, Lordship, level Bachelor, admission 24 July, Lordship, email address is there, mother name, father name is there, Lordship. Enrollment number is also there, Lordship.
Please come to page number 32, serial number 4.
Yes, Lordship.
What is it? What is
Serial
it?
number 4, bottom lordship, MDCN 101.
Hmm.
Natural Resources Management, lordship.
Come to page number 33.
33, yes, lordship.
See today's date.
That is on 2012, lordship.
Which date?
Uh,
2012 is which date?
2012,
Today.
there is lordship wrong type, their statement, lordship, it's not our printed.
2012 2014.
14, there is other lordship consequences, lordship, there is kind that.
Then have the case there. Online
Just-
exam is
It's
already
not
done.
my, this is the certificate, that is the downloaded copy, lordship, and they have made a mistake, lordship, that for that.
Chaudhary, you are supposed to give a paper on National Resource Management, right? 101. Today is the exam.
Yes, lordship, examination
behind.
is over, that's why,
You
lordship.
can wait. Have the case there.
It's started from lordship, 1712, lordship.
8 or 9.
9th lordship.
Obvious.
May I please, Lordship? This is regular bail application before your Lordship. And the petitioner was arrested on 8/10/11 and
Commercial quantity lordship.
he is behind the bar since last 73 years.
Yes.
So 73
From Borpeta when?
Lordship.
Forfeited road.
30 January lordship. Okay. Commercial.
Yes, next.
Obliged.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Lordship, this matter to be listed before appropriate bench, Lordship. Justice Sushmita Phukan Town has rejected the bail application. No?
Yes, the petitioner.
Order. Reject order.
Huh? The 201/2024. Subsequently registered as CBI SCP Shillong FIR number RC 0202 024 capital E 0004 was earlier rejected by Court of His latest Justice Honorable Mrs. by order dated 21/11/2024 in bail application number 3110/2024 and Excel Roman 7 to this bail in view of the raised itself this the matter of the applicants after verification.
Halim.
Can I have 6th of January? Date?
We cannot give the registry to the
Obliged. 10 lordship scan copy and steps may be issued.
special factor case number 142/2024. Holy police station case number 100/2024. Court of Learned Special Judge Borpeta. Special Judge Foxo repeated. A medical session. Take steps
Yes.
on the opposite party number 2.
Yes, sir.
Inform an opposite party.
I know.
May it please, your lordship. Regular bail application, 90 days, lordship, intermediate quantity.
Mr. Sharma,
Lordship, after some time.
or two only.
Before
19.
Find out.
19 days.
Where is other call?
19 days. 19.
19.
19.
Yes, lord.
There is still 112.
Yes, lordship.
We have to give it
9 or 10.
21st, 22nd around.
21st.
Can it be, lordship, before we, Bihu, lordship?
Other case, not in this.
39.
My lord, report was called for, my lord. I am already in jail for 10 days, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, my lord. Absolutely, there is no ingredient law section, my lord. And my lord, only the mobile phone has already been seized, my lord. Other than my lord, there is no witness, my lord. So I am a very respectable person of the society, my lord. I am an editor of a newspaper, my lord. The lordship kindly see, my lord, literally on my lord. Report was called for, my lord.
Sharma. আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
Malad, I have talked with the Malad, IO as well as the PP in their Hailakandi Malad. Yesterday petition was moved Malad before the session judge Hailakandi Malad for modifying the section Malad as 15.1 and 15.2 of the POCSO. But order has not been passed yesterday, Malad likely to be passed today. Today morning I was just talked with
Read
them.
section 14 of the PSS Act.
Yes, Malad, I have 14 Malad, they himself Malad, IO for modifying 15.1 and 15.2 Malad.
Then we read 15.
For section 14 Malad, there must be a Malad, specific victim Malad.
You know, they agreed, my lord. They are, as on today, the section 14, 15, no ingredient, my lord. But for that, my lord, I am still in jail for 10 days, my lord. There is no material against me as a registered sections, my lord. And they now move, my lord, when I boom the bail application, thereafter they move, my lord, for a change of the sections, my lord. And section 15 is available, my lord, that point of time. There is every possibility to hack his mobile, my lord, because nowadays everything is, my lord, happen, my lord, fake or Facebook account, fake, my lord, transmission of the, my lord, WhatsApp message, my lord. So, my lord, that mobile has already been seized, my lord. The main evidence is your mobile, my lord.
Heard Mr. T.J. Mahanta. Counsel appearing for the petition. Third, Learned Senior Counsel. Assisted by
J.H. Laskar.
for the petition. Also heard Mr. Lina. The petitioner namely certain purpose. arrested on 10/12/2002. As per the affair of the case, on receipt of specific information from the Superintendent of Police, Hailakandi, dated 22/11/2024, regarding downloading, storing, and sharing of child pornography. The matter was anchored in by the Lala authorities of Lala Police Station. And after going through the cyber tip line report, the petitioner was found involved in such downloading, storing, and sharing of child pornography video. That is illegal as per the POCS Act 2005. Accordingly, petitioner was apprehended. His mobile phone was seized and taken into custody on 10/12/2002. As per the affair 08/12. The section 14 of the 15 of Mr. Parasol and its public prosecutor, on obtaining instructions of that though the investigating officer of the case approached the Court of Learned Special Judge Hailakandi, Special Judge Foxon, for reading of section 15(1) and 15(2) of the POCSY. As of now, no order has been passed in the said application. And expected to be passed today. Since the mobile phone of the petitioner has already been seized, and after proper investigation, petitioner has been found involved in such crime of downloading, storing, and sharing of and thereafter he was arrested in considering his detention to Spain. Right. Special Judge Foxo, 75,000. To local surety, one shall be organized. Foxo conviction of the last conviction to not. Kuno night to 15. I take it up. Shall be appeal to the investigating officer and as and when he but condition that dispose that one.
Biplab, you share.
My lord, the FIR may be seen at page 9. 40. I'm sorry, my lord.
That is for granted. None appear for the petitioner on call. List after entry. Interpretation. Do. None, petitioner remain unrepresented. On call, to name it, list after. Even number. Name, remain after, council remain represented. Next.
Made please, Your Lordship. Well, this is pre-arrest bail application, my lord. The status was called for on the last occasion, my lord. But what had happened, the FIR is at page 16, my lord. The present petitioner has falsely implicated in this case, my lord. And he has been implicated because of the fact that he was the reporter of that paper, my lord, where the FIR name, accused number 1 is the editor, my lord. And there was something was happened in between the informant and the accused number 1, my lord. The accused number 1 was caught red-handed and subsequently he was released on bail, my lord. And this petitioner nowhere in the FIR, my lord, though no specific allegation against the petitioner, my lord. And the sections inserted in the FIR, my lord, except the 3082 of the BNS, all are bailable, my lord. This is the extortion, and there is no such specific allegation against the petitioner for extortion, my lord. He has been falsely implicated, my lord. And in the bail order of the accused number 1 is at page 21, my lord. The relevant portion is at page 22. Can you see, my lord? The submission of the learned ADPP. On the other hand, learned additional PP going through the case diary submitted the bail petition may be considered. There is accused number 1. On the basis of material available in the case diary, the investigation revealed that IO has recorded the statement of 4 numbers of witnesses under section so-and-so, including the informant and the other material witnesses. Also seized 2 mobile phones, cash amount of so-and-so, and thus the investigation of the case has sufficiently been progressed. So investigation is also almost completed, my lord. At this stage, the custodial detention of the present petitioner is not warranted at all. And in fact, there is no such specific allegation against the present petitioner, my lord. And he has been implicated only because of the fact that he is the reporter of that paper, where the accused number 1 is the editor. And what had happened in between the accused number 1 and the informant, he was caught red-handed. He neither phone called nor he demanded any money from the informant. If something was done, that was done by the accused number 1. And he went to the house of the informant. But the present petitioner never went there.
And why it was rejected?
My lord?
Why his case was rejected?
My lord, rejected in the court below, my lord, page
Why?
18.
Same court, same
Page 18, my lord.
on the,
That's what.
yes, Lordship. By the same court on the same date, Lordship. His bill was
So
rejected.
what is the reason for rejection?
Yes, Lordship.
But,
Lordship will find it page 20, Lordship.
Page 20 is the
Sufficient
relevant portion, my
evidence
lord.
found available against the accused who show his involvement in the commission of the alleged offense. So Lordship is involved. Prima facie materials were found, Lordship. At least
In
Lordship
fact,
will
my lord,
kindly peruse the case diary, Lordship.
in fact, in the FIR itself clear, my lord. No such specific allegation against him, my lord.
See, after perusal of the case diary, learned court below has rejected,
Yes,
right?
Lordship.
So there has to be something later case diary come.
But
From Dhubri, have it immediately before you.
in the meanwhile, my lord, he may be protected. my lord.
Ninth, Lordship. Ninth.
And in the meanwhile, he may be protected, my lord.
8th of January.
In the meanwhile, my lord, he may be protected. my
Earlier
lord.
rejected by the court below. There's only something in the case diary. Let us see. Yeah.
Applause.
Commercial quantity, Lordship. Case diary.
My lord, page 9. My lord, what happened, my lord, my lord husband, he is the main accused, my lord. He has been arrested, my lord. He has been arrested on 23rd of August 2024.
Or as because she went out along with her husband, my lord, she has been implicated only on suspicion, my lord. And she is facing some ailment, my lord. I have enclosed the medical certificate. Very
Yes, get the case there.
Yes, sir.
When?
Okay, let it be on 29th.
To be late.
January.
my
Those
lord,
matters were arrested, we are considering, but for PRS value, you'd have it earlier.
Lordship, Lordship. Immediately after Bihu, Lordship, 21,
my lord, can it be on 10th of January, my lord?
Okay, on 21st.
Lordship.
Obliged.
The second bail application, my lord. After the city may be called for, and after rejection of bail applications, we came to learn that the victim, he already maintained conjugal life in UP, and she already contacting with her father. And by phone, I also given the phone number, my lord. And I is now again further investigating the matter to find out the truthness. The lordship already rejected the bail application of the petitioner.
Get the case diary.
Lordship.
My lord, the petitioner is suffering from maybe protected, my lord.
Get the case diary.
Lordship.
From Mayong when?
Yeah, already, Lordship, the second week is full, Lordship.
Up to the case diary.
Then, Lordship, after Bihu, Lordship. 22.
Okay.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, it's a 482 bail application. The FIR is at page number 10, your lordship.
Get the case diary.
Your lordship, may I kindly peruse page number 16, your lordship, just one humble submission.
16.
16, page number 16. From down second paragraph, it reveals that all the accused person has been granted bail by the Sessions Court, your lordship. And in the case study, after 45 days of investigation, has not revealed anything, your lordship. Your lordship, I may be protected so that I can submit my statement. In the meantime, the case study may be called, your lordship.
This is AB.
Indeed, your lordship.
So let the case diary be there.
Okay.
22nd, Lordship.
Your lordship.
But in this matter, my lord, the petitioner is the owner of a vehicle, my lord. From where, my lord, some 5 cattle were recovered, my lord. That is our case, my lord. This is the owner of the vehicle, my lord. The registration certificates are at page number 13, my lord, last page.
From Lanka.
Lordship.
When?
28, Lordship. 20.
Along with the report of the IO.
Lordship.
Well, any interim protection money. Highly of May it please your lordship. So anticipatory bail application, your lordship will find the FIR at page 11. Allegations of theft, my lord, and illegal hoarding of petroleum products, my lord. No, my lord, I have the transporter of the products and I have annexed the challan as well as the e-way bills, my lord.
It's 13 may kindly be perused.
When rejecting the learned trial, lower court, my lord, had observed that there were some discrepancies between the e-way bill as well as the tax invoice. If your lordship kindly sees page 15 and page 16, my lord.
See, two things are there.
My lord.
First of all, you carry whatever legally, illegally. But if you are paying tax, that it shouldn't have been mismatched.
Man, there is no mismatch. That is what I am trying to project, my
Let
lord.
us get the report.
There is no mismatch, my lord. Apparent, my lord. Only thing is the date of
This has
date,
to
my
come
lord.
from Nagaon only.
Nagaon.
Roha. By 9th, you have it.
Lordship, thank you. I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is a this is anticipatory bail application, madam. FIR at page 8, madam. At page 8, my lord, FIR. In this case, my lord, two FIR accused has already been released on interim bail. One is by your lordship and another one is my coordinate bench of our high court, madam. That order I have annexed, madam.
Same case.
What's the book, my lord?
Your lordship order I have annexed, my lord, that is page 12, my lord.
You will get. Please along with AB 3182 of 2024. 1030120. Then in the event of order number, please number. Appear before 24th.
Hello, I'm highly obliged, madam.
Maybe it's in lordship. Lordship kindly pass over the matter for time being, my lord.
This 20.
The case diary.
Lordship.
Rota.
Twenty-one.
Hmm. Along with Rota PS case number 9. Twenty-four. Both the case there is okay.
Obliged.
Lordship is fixed it on Lordship.
Give us a date from Rota.
Lordship. 21st.
Today.
Making difficult to adjust the case.
Okay, on 21st.
21st.
The Lordship had heard this connected matter yesterday. It was a bail application. The Lordship was pleased to grant bail. It was pointed out that connected AB was filed, which had come out before court number 19. So your Lordship had directed that the CD be retained. And today the AB has come up, my lord. Perhaps that CD I have not seen, my lord.
Yes. Mr. Aman was there.
Aman was appearing, sir.
Lordship, I've just sent Mr. Parasar to take the instruction.
Can be taken up after some time.
After some time, Lordship.
Uploaded, whether the order has been uploaded.
Order.
Yes, yes.
Order has been uploaded.
What is the case number?
193 case number.
Yes, case number. No,
193.
BA number. My lord, BA number 3829 of 24.
Just a minute. Bail application number
3829 of 24, my lord.
3829.
3829.
Mr. Sharma, you were there.
Yes, Lordship, I remember.
Have the case there?
Yes, Lordship. Please. After some time.
After some time. Deeply observed.
Yes. Nawaz Hospital. Abidin, thank you.
Only for withdrawal item number 1.
Who appeared? Nawaz Hospital. You are there, I think so, with the Nawaz. Mr. Nawaz appeared in this matter. Mr. Das. Anyway, what's your good name?
MD Rahman on behalf of SDAS.
Good. Was arrested on 22/09/2024 in connection with 44 case number 294/2024 under section 6C1 within bracket 2/103 within bracket 1 of the NS 202. filed this bail application on 09/12/2024 for releasing her on bail. Next, place for withdrawal of that bail application, to which Mr. Sharma Lagate no appeal.
Highly oblique.
एक कितनी बनती है?
42.
In this case, yesterday, my lord, the IO has made application before the Nalbari, my lord, PP, and PP move an application.
Any
today-
order passed?
Today morning.
No order passed.
No order passed till date.
Heard. Mr. Zainal Abedin, J. Abedin, counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. K. K. Parasal and additional public prosecutor. Petitioner namely Sachin Prasad. Was arrested on 22/09/2024
One thing, my lord, may not be mentioned as default bill because today, my lord, now I have, my lord, calculated most probably 89 days. My lord.
We'll calculate, don't worry. 22/09/2024.
Forwarding
In
of
connection with
22nd
Nalbari
night.
case number 285/2024. Raised under section Sachin Prasad. There is section. Petitioner on certain legal business on being inquired as to whether charges has been filed in case or not. Mr. Parasar granted public prosecutor instructions are that yesterday I get to her file an application for extension of custody of the petitioner. However, no order has yet been passed in such application of the petition.
Today morning file, my lord.
Today morning.
Today morning
or
file.
has filed today.
Today morning.
No order has been passed. Considering that the petitioner has already, yes, now calculate.
My lord, September, my lord, 22nd is the forwarding, my lord.
How many days in September?
September 8th.
Why?
But
From the date of
22nd is the, my lord.
calculate from 22nd.
My lord, yes, my lord, on 23rd, it will be 1 day completed.
On 20th arrested, on
23rd, 1 day
22nd,
completed.
so
Now,
22nd full day will be taken, my lord.
No,
The date
my
of
lord,
remand.
if we today, my lord, today, in December, we are taking us 20 days. then
If we take September to, from 22 onwards, it is 90th day today, otherwise 89 days. And from the day of arrest, my lord, 20th, then it is 91 days.
Do you have the case diary?
Yes, yes.
Arrested on 22nd.
Yes, sir.
Okay, considering the detention since 27 September. Order for- We, written as per the FIR of the case. There is 16082024. That on 14082024, a video was circulated. The social media. That will an organization. Have given a boycott call on 14082024. Social category independence is a repression of the country and have started an armed struggle across the state of Assam from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. on 15082024. Later on, subsequently on 15082024, the list was received from the local media of the places where IEDs had been placed across the state. On the basis of the said list, and on being searched, the suspected IEDs was found in an old ambulance in a road leading to Nalbari, old medical college, Nalbari. During search, the suspected black plastic packet was recovered from the drawer of the ambulance parked in the campus of radiology center in the civil hospital, Nalbari. The plastic bag was taken near to an open space near Pagladia river bank, and the disposal squad diffused and disposed the suspected IEDs. And in the plastic bag, one detonator, one circuit, 8 number of batteries, and suspected powder substance inside the tiffin box was recovered. According to case number is. This is the case diary, the materials available in the case report. Considering his detention since that court is of further detention. 1 lakh, 2 local surety, 1 government employee. APR before the investigating officer. Every Thursday for the next 3 English calendar months. And as and when he is required in the section. Right. Condition deliver. Session judge.
Special judge Nalwari.
Sorry, special judge Nalwari.
Diploma.
Please, your lordship. The case has been already charged, page 17.
Notice has been served, lordship. On the last occasion, lordship had asked me to take the instruction. It has been served, lordship.
Shall.
Served.
When?
NICS can be appointed, lordship.
Any idea when?
Lordship.
So petitioner arrested 13/07/2024.
How many witnesses?
Eleven witnesses.
How many witnesses examined?
2 witnesses already examined, my lordship.
When the search sheet was filed?
Search sheet filed 31/07/2024.
What happened on 3rd of December? Because
The victim had become pregnant, lordship. At that time, lordship.
heard Mr. Anisla, counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Sharma, additional public prosecutor of the state. On instruction, Mr. Sharma submitted an additional public submitted that notice of this application has already been served in the informant respondent number 2. Oh, the informant not appearing in the matter. Considering 9. Dr. Pooja Agarwal. Assistant may be appointed. List on 28 January. 28 January. The special judge
Vishwanath.
Foxo Vishwanath shall forward the up-to-date records with effect from 03/12/2024. Up-to-date records of special within bracket Foxo bracket close case number 55/2024 arising out of Borgang or Bishwanath. Bihali Police Station case number 58 of 202. With effect from 03/12/2024 to 22nd of January. And eligible to be provided. The list shall reflect the name of Dr. Pujan shall have copy. Portrait.
Yes.
May I please, my lord, this is an application for pre-arrest bail, my lord. Here, my lord, FIR is at page 13, my lord. May I read the FIR, my lord?
Vedic is there, you
Yes,
have the
yes,
case there,
yes,
you
yes.
still have.
Matlab out of total 1,560 bags of wheat matlab loaded in 2 trucks from Azara to Imphal. And in between matlab Nagaon area matlab driver mobile switch off matlab. Subsequently, when it's found in the city matlab from one floor mill of Golaghat, 780 bags of wheat were seized. Now this petitioner is the one of the co-partner of that floor mill. Now that truck owner, Jivan Krishna Bhumi, he is the main mastermind, my lord. The driver, 2 drivers arrested. They have stated that as per instruction of the truck owner, we have delivered 1 truck at Golaghat and 1 truck at Kasar instead of Imphal. Now, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, on notice, my lord, appeared. He stated that the person Jivan Krishna Bhumi, he is regularly supplying the wheat. And that day he was not that place. Manager called him over telephone. He told the manager that if the papers are all right, then you take. Then manager told him that Jivan Krishna Bhumi has not supplied the papers. He will give the papers later on. Then he said that don't pay the whole amount. Some amount be paid. So this is the case. He was not the, as per statements and all this, but main culprit is that truck owner and the driver. They have.
Moreover, my lord, petitioner is 69 years old, my lord, heart patient.
Apprehending his arrest. The petitioner, namely, son of such and such, resident of such and file this anticipatory bail application under section 482 DNSS, praying for pre-arrest bail in other appears case number such and such, other section such and such, corresponding to GR number such. From the Mr. Counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted, the petitioner is no way connected with the case. And that on serving of notice in the section 51A, he appeared before the concerned investigating officer. But his apprehending is arrested as a appears. That's why this. As per the FIR, of the case lodged on 21/11/2024 by the complainant. As per the FIR dated 22/11, Act not applies. The case is that the complainant on 05/11/24 sent two fully loaded trucks with wheat from Azara Rack Point to Impol. However, since 05/11/2024, but for some reasons, both the trucks stayed back in a petrol pump near Nagaon, at Nagaon. However, since last 3 to 4 days, the complainant could not contact the drivers of the said two vehicles, so the said two trucks, and whereabouts of them are unknown. As they said, a fire to find out both the trucks and the owner of it and their owners, and to recover the bags of which that was sent in to import. From the case theory, Mr. Parasa submitted the petitioner is an owner of a flour mill and owner of a flour mill of Golaghat. The owner of both the trucks is one Jivan Krishna Bhomik. The drivers were arrested. The next, Mr. Parasar also submitted that the drivers and the helpers of both the trucks involved in the case have been arrested, and on their and they implicated. They are the owners of both the trucks, namely Jivan Krishna Bhomik, at whose instance they have delivered 700 bags of wheat, 780 bags of wheat in the flour mill owned by the petitioner at Golaghat, and the remaining certain place at Kachar. On his appearance before the IO in the case, petitioner also indicated that Jivan Krishna Bhumik used to supply wheat to his flour mill regularly. And on the date of the incident, when the 700 and odd bags were supplied to the flour mill, he was not available at Golaghat and asked the manager of the flour mill to verify the documents, in which the manager replied that that said Bhumik informed that he will provide the 11 documents shortly. Considering such materials in the case, and as the investigating officer have already identified the accused of the case, reported to the view, custodial detention of the petitioner is not warranted. In the event of it, 50,000. to local seal. Return.
May it please your lordship. This is the regular prayer application, bail application, your lordship. So FIR is at 18, my lord. Allegation is, your lordship. They just allege that on 19, they lodged an FIR before the Borborua police station, stating that on 26, 2024, your lordship, just they have invested, informant parties invested rupees 1 crore rupee. And by making some excuses, I am not paying those money from 19/7/2020 onward, your lordship. And after that, again, they are alleging that I am making some inducement, I have collected some amount of money. So hence this application, FIR. So on the strength of that FIR, lordship, the Borborua police station, police has registered a case under section 86/24 of the 24, and cheating and bad sex, your lordship, has been incorporated. So I accused petitioners, your lordship, they are the private school teacher only, your lordship. They doesn't have any connection with it. And moreover, they have just invested amount in the mobile die-up, your lordship. So they were no way connected to this case. So simply as per the section, no material is available. So till that, your lordship, 88 days is already completed behind the bar. And since the date of arrest, your lordship, the accused petitioners are gone cooperating with the investigating, I think. And till date, now 88 days,
Yes.
they are not asking for any remand, your lordship.
Mr. Goswami.
As per the evidence, under the he has, as per his under witnesses, he brought his cap from Guwahati, and after that, along with the other David Pegu, there is the other person who is in that. And for that, they used to get permission, but they are not giving the chance from it. Several things are there, all that stated, like they have insisted on the app given by petitioner number 1.
Who has given the app?
Sunday, Pegu, as per the statement of number 2, they indicated Sunday Pegu was the app of the party. After that, he has made the other person. And furthermore, there is no authority and there is no license to expect their collection.
No, your lordship, I am simply.
Yes, person requested.
We are simply, your lordship, investor only. We are also poll victim of this tie-up, your lordship. We have no way connected. One Naresh Kumar Reddy, your lordship, he is the creator. And one mastermind, your lordship, one Janak Bosumatra, your lordship. He is the main kingpin. He was arrested and he was released on bail by the Honorable Court, your lordship, in connection with the Bosista Police Station case number 545/2024, your lordship. And moreover, as a latest subsequent development, your lordship, they have also just sworn an affidavit before the Notary Public Dibrugarh, your lordship, stating that. So out of anger and due to misunderstanding, they lost this FIR, your lordship. It is, I have annexed my, in my petition, your lordship, the 53, your lordship. So out of anger, just they have lost an FIR and they are regretting what they did. They have stated categorically, your lordship. And the matter has been resolved outside of the court. They have also stated all this thing. So meaning thereby, your lordship, if at all they have invested 1 crore rupee, they would not have said this. Out of anger, just we lost an FIR due to misunderstanding, and we are regretting for that. So they are also running a private school, your lordship. But for the last 2 months, whole teaching learning process is already stopped, your lordship. So now important examination is coming up, your lordship. So because of detention in the jail hazard, your lordship, this 1 year will be lost by my lord. All these small students are there. And this principal, one is accused petitioner number, one is principal, and co-accused is the your lordship, it is the assistant teacher. So because of their absence, they are now facing punishment. And they are also running a borders also, your lordship. So because of their absence, they are unable to run even this maze and all. So otherwise also, your lordship, if investigation is not completed, we are ready to cooperate right path on the investigation, your lordship. Any terms and conditions. Since from the very day we have been just cooperating. And in between this 88 days, they are not asking any more remand, your lordship. No material is there. Simply allegation, your lordship. This statement has been made by them only to create the veracity to file this fabricated case, your lordship. We don't have any criminal antecedent. We are just kept busy from dusk to dawn in teaching learning process, your lordship. My lord, mobile phone has been already seized, and whatever the material it was to be to file such it already, it has been collected by the investigating agency, your lord. If such it will be filed, we are ready to face the consequences, your lordship. Would be ready to suffer, and we will be attending court regularly, no problem. If such it will be filed. And co-accused name is not named in the FIR, your lordship. And fatherhood, trusting me only, they have invested, they have categorically stated in the FIR, trusting me, accused petitioner number 1, they have invested 1 crore rupees. I am not a proprietor, your lordship. I am not the owner also. How come by trusting me, they will invest 1 crore rupees? And later on again, they have said that out of anger and misunderstanding, we lost an FIR. And whatever the section incorporated against us is totally, no material is there, no ingredient. Trusting me only, they lost the FIR. Oh, sorry. Yes.
Yes, Mr. Tell us.
Trusting me only. That's all.
on they have better they have made the other person for their own benefit.
No, it is not.
Also, a statement of the minor cause that number 2 because that was like rather from the
He invested only.
as per the time code, there is an order matter. There is a counter.
No, we are not a founder, your lordship. We are investor only. We have also fall victim of this app. Main founder from the lower Assam, it is one Janak Bosumatari and one Sunil Tenen, your lordship. They were arrested and they have already released on them.
Because what we have found here is statement of the account of both the petition, not involving huge quantity.
No.
So they were depositing in that particular app. They were not depositing as per the statement certificate, not with the petitioner. In that circumstance, if the app vanishes, then what happens?
Yeah.
That's what
That's not the benefit. But that is the well, but the petitioner can get another. So they are well aware that they are getting the well, if they are investing on their own, that part is okay. That is invest. But they are making others to invest in their for their own benefit. That is not.
No, it is not mentioned in the FIR.
Is there is to us how they are involved, because one thing they have asked people to deposit in that particular app,
For their,
but they are nobody is depositing in their account.
no, they
Deposited to that app only, right? When the time came for get their money back, then it app not found. That's why that is the reason we are asking you. Show us anything from here if there is in their personal accounts if they have received any money. Find out and tell us after some time. We have Burwa. Correct. And why belatedly they have sent this to the FSL? FSL report is yet to come. Yes, next month.
My lord, for a bail application, my lord. 49 days of behind the bar, my lord. 1 kilo 538 grams of substitute ganja, my lord, recovered. FIR case number 8, my lord. 49 days of behind the bar. Intermediate quantity, my lord.
What is there in the case there?
From the context of this petitioner, they will find from the FIR lordship, it will page 8, silence. Page 8 of the FIR. The second, third paragraph. After search, a seizure is prepared at the spot in presence of the later he was examined at the POS confessed he was selling ganja and consumed the same from village. After a week, but a reported for you to proceed were further taken by Sunmia, arrived there on certain Thursday in Lodara in the house of Sindhu Borwa. Sindhu Borwa was apprehended by police.
It was found in whose house?
It is present to us from the house of Sindhu Borwa. The Lordship will find the teacher and from the teacher will 105 155 gram ganja along with 61,000 rupees. Adi बात करेंगे मोहम्मद का नाम Sindhu Borwa का ganja.
Hard Mr. S. J. Sohoria, right? Yes. Counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. P. Goswami, learned additional purpose. Petitioner namely, right? arrested on 1/11/2024. The basis of specific information received on 31/10/2024 at night regarding selling and transportation of NDPS item like ganja by one Chand Mia at a Bagpuri area under Mongoldoy police station. And that he is involved in illicit trafficking of NDPS item. And further, that he was likely to bring a consignment from his house for delivery from a state Tanmia was apprehended, and on his information, during interrogation as per his information, on 1/11/2024, the petitioner was apprehended by police. How much was recovery from petitioner?
1557.
And what is the recovery from Chanmia?
No, my son from Sanmia, cash is recovered, my lord. And after that, he has led to the house of this petitioner. From him,
And
157,000.
a huge amount of cash was recovered from Chanmia during interrogation of Chanmia. It was revealed, and accordingly, during interrogation of Chanmia, police got a clue and apprehended the petitioner from his house and recovered
1557 grams.
1.1557 grams of suspected ganja kept in a black plastic carry bag.
Including that plastic carry bag. And without plastic bag, 1538 grams.
And total weight with ganja without the carry bag is about 1538 grams. Mr. Goswami submitted the FSL report is still awaited. Considering the difference, 75,000 to local surety. Appear before the investigating officer every twice in a week, Monday and Thursday. Commencing from 2nd of January. Commencing from 30th of January for the next week, 30 December. Or till filing of the charge sheet, whichever is again. And thereafter, as and when he is required in the condition. Chief Judicial Magistrate or Special Judge?
Mongoldo, CJM.
CJM Mongol. Written reference.
Deeply obliged.
The FIR is on page 9, Lordship. On today, 28 days. Custody. Yes, Mr. Sharma, what are the materials available?
Yes, Lordship. Here, Lordship, if Lordship kindly comes to the forwarding also, Lordship, page 19. In a, this Lordship, the matter relates to Lordship that these petitioners, Lordship, in the two bill application, Lordship, what they are, Lordship, is they are taking innocent people's ID cards, Lordship, and in their name, they take motorcycle, Lordship, on EMI basis. Thereafter, when the bike is delivered, Lordship, those bikes are sold off somewhere else, Lordship. And in the meantime, Lordship, the IO has managed to collect a number of complainant, Lordship, and victims. Their statements have been recorded. And Lordship, the vehicles, around 100 vehicles, Lordship, around motorbikes, they have been sold in different parts of Northeast as well as in Bangladesh. It involves a large amount of money, and also, Lordship, it is suspected that the EMI, Lordship, officials of the finance company are also involved, Lordship. So in that regard, investigation is still going on. And also, Lordship, the bikes are yet to be recovered. And Lordship, the some more co-accused are yet to be arrested.
Lordship, the petitioner's name is not there. He is not involved, Lordship. In the case there, what about the role played by the petitioner?
The actively involved, Lordship, with the main accused, he is by the name of Rabha, Bubul Rabha. No? Bubul Rabha, Lordship. They are played, all these persons are paid, Lordship, a commission out of the total sold amount, Lordship.
One is Anupam Rabha, one is Babul Rabha.
Babul Rabha, and the main Babul Rabha is the kingpin, Lordship.
Yes, he is the main accused.
He is the main accused, Lordship. It was his master plan, Lordship, and they have played an
The
active role.
petitioner's names are just dragged on, Lordship. They are not.
They are involved, Lordship. Lordship kindly goes through, there are number of victims, number of persons have come forward, they've been the victims,
But
they have
from their
raised
position,
complaints, Lordship.
but from their position, nothing is found, Lordship. Any materials, Lordship. Just allegations are there, Lordship. From extra Konkon
At
Das
this
and
stage, it may not be considered, Lordship, because this is a huge interstate racket, Lordship.
Lordship already 32 days, Lordship, and there nothing is recovered from them, Lordship. From both the petitions.
When Lordship, it is suspected that the showroom owners, the bank officials, finance managers, Lordship, all these are under scrutiny now, Lordship.
But Lordship, nothing has been found from the CD, Lordship. No materials are recovered, Lordship, from them, Lordship. Yes. No. Take your seat, sir.
Yes, Lordship.
The next.
Yes, Lordship.
Third, Mr. Ray Taker, also declaring for repeated. 31. And Mr. P. Sharma, additional purpose. What is the role of the petitioner in case? 37.
Same, Lordship.
No, not located. Just,
Lordship.
I have looked on the call the this one. Item number 44.
If Lordship kindly goes through their statement, Lordship, they were interrogated twice, Lordship. I have flag marked the last interrogation, Lordship.
But the role of the other person is more important. He is to get the bike
Lordship.
and hand it over to them.
Yes.
But here against them, the independent witnesses have said nothing. But Mr. A. Decker. But him repeated. So item number 31. Listed on 2311. Custody since then. As for the affair of the case one, accused, namely Bubul Raha, son of Akhund Raha, for the last 11 months. Inducing the informants to their Aadhaar card, PAN card, and photograph. Saying that they will be provided a loan. And with their documents, they have purchased, and he has purchased motorcycles and sold it to different parts of the state, including Meghalaya and Bangladesh. Thus, act was done by said Bubul Raha with the help of the concerned bank and the bike dealers. Say Bubul Raha along with the petitioner, he can force the signatures of the informants and thereby cheated him. I think that was registered as Napur. An investigation was registered. The petitioner was taken into custody. And such and is in custody. It is submitted by the petitioner that he is no unstated practice and has been wrongly arrested without any basis. So, from the case there, it is seen that the independent witnesses have implicated on Bubul Raha, who cheated the simple villagers and others and forcing their Aadhaar card, PAN card, and their signatures about numbers of vehicles, numbers of two-wheelers. The case in hand, petitioner, who is a driver, a profession, sold such two-wheelers procured by the Bubul Raha and other accused of the case. And the case that implicates the Bubul Raha, the main accused of the case, along with some bike dealers and bank employees. Considering such materials in the case, 50,000 to local security on government employee appear before the IO every week. Commencing from every Thursday for the next 3 months, commencing from 26th of December. Till filing of the charge sheet, which according to year after rather than same. Anupam Raha. Further indicates that the petitioner introduced two of the persons to Google Rava, the main accuser of the case. And said Mr. Rava along with other persons involved in the case in selling of certain reports and trade documents in the name of the informant. All right. Some condition. Six judicial magistrate,
May I please, your lordship?
Kamrup Metro. Yes.
Lordship, 42 days, lordship, behind the bar, lordship. I am leaving it up to your lordship, lordship. In my calculation, it is 42 days, lordship. Intermediate quantity, lordship.
Do it after some time. Behold, to wicket.
Then, lordship, 3rd of January, lordship. It will be 56 days, lordship, on 3rd.
When he was arrested.
He is lordship arrested on
9/11.
8th and forwarded on 9th. So lordship, on 3rd, lordship, it will be 56 days, lordship. Then lordship better. 3rd, 6th of January will be better. 59 days हो जाओ 50 या तो 60 days होती है
9/11.
Yes. No, see, it will be 60 days over in my calculation. Lordship. It will cross 60 days, lordship.
When?
On 6th, lordship. 6th of January, lordship. Reopening day. Then 58 days on lordship 6th. 58 days, lordship. No, 59 days. 59 days.
On 8th, it will be 60 days.
Yeah.
On 8th. Can be considered when the quantity is less, but such kind of information. The priority council for the petitioner late on 8th.
33, lordship. These steps were taken, lordship, a bit probably on 10th or 11th, lordship.
11.
11, lordship. We have not received the service report, lordship. Otherwise, CD is available.
But reopening day, he will be 90 days.
It's a difficulty, lordship, because otherwise, allegation also, lordship kindly goes to the allegation also. The present petitioner, lordship, took the victim girl and sold her off in Haryana, lordship. So, allegation also. Huh? I see.
On 3rd.
Third,
But have the report.
lordship.
The priority council for the
May I please, your lordship?
Lordship, my senior agent like kindly pass about a matter for time being.
Lordship, I have some submission, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, today is 91 days, lordship. And lordship, this matter relates to financial scam, lordship. And the main accused, they are the parents of the main accused, Dipankar Burman, lordship. And today is 91 days, lordship. And CBI, as per my information, lordship, CBI has filed search sheet part by part, lordship. And already I have annexed, lordship, one search sheet, page number 28, that has been filed against their accountant, Mona Lisa Das, lordship. Page number 28,
Just
lordship,
tell us
annex
one thing,
3.
madam.
And lordship, on last occasion, lordship, the matter was listed
When
on
the search sheet was filed?
lordship.
When the search sheet was filed?
This search sheet was filed, lordship,
Against the
1811, lordship. This one is only one accused, lordship, Mona Lisa Das. And the investigation is not completed as per my knowledge, lordship.
Against these two persons,
Lordship.
when the search sheet was filed?
In
The search sheet was brought to the knowledge of the special judge.
Yes, lordship. This is
When?
against Mona Lisa Das, lordship, and it is trial has not already been started, lordship, and it has
We
been.
are asking you against two petitioners when the search sheet was submitted.
No, as per my knowledge, search sheet has not been filed, and the main accused, Dipankar Burman, is arrested on before 1 month ago, lordship.
Do you have the record?
And final search sheet has not been
Yes,
filed,
madam.
lordship.
When the search sheet was submitted?
So 18/11/24.
Lordship, it is against only one
1811,
accused.
with
Yes,
regard to the present petitioners, when the search sheet was submitted?
present petition. And today is 91 days, lordship, and I have relevant judgment, lordship, regarding this, that lordship, that default bail cannot be deprived by in apex court judgment, lordship, that default bail cannot be deprived. Lordship.
May I please, your lordship?
Yeah.
Lordship, after some time.
Deeply obliged.
Here also, my lord, this may case pertains to my lord UAPA, my lord, regarding arrest and investigation of the my lord hardcore alpha cadres, my lord. Now the case is there, my lord, it is 87 days in custody today, my lord. I have all the IO, my lord. They say that they have filed an petition for extension, my lord, but the learned trial court said that without the CD, they could not, my lord, extend it, my lord. So now it is 87 days, even though, my lord, 87 days, the period of detention may not be considered today, my lord, because of the specific materials against the petitioner, my lord.
May I please, your
They are
lordship?
going to file another
May I please, your
extension, my lord. And the default period will start only from the next Tuesday, my lord.
Lordship, what happened, Lordship? Earlier occasion, Lordship, on similar case, Lordship, a Panbazar PS case, he was arrested, Lordship. In that case also, the learned PP of that case, Lordship, submitted before this honorable court that the IO has filed a petition to extend the period, Lordship. But later on, when the statutory period was over, Lordship, the PP again informed that the court did not allow. And as per my knowledge, I inquired before the trial court, Lordship, no such petition was pending, Lordship. In this case,
now it is
might
not
be
pending. I am
Lordship.
not saying that it is pending, my lord,
Lordship.
but it is not considered because the CD was not at that time before the court, my
But the
lord.
next date fixed.
No, my lord, that petition is
Not
my lord,
fine yet.
because
fine.
they said that
Considering
so
with you.
CD is with us, my lord.
Is done.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, my Lordship.
Yes.
Because on the basis of the
Lordship,
materials, my lord,
the main case was in which he was earlier arrested was Panbazar PS case. In that case, he has enlarged the bail, Lordship. Now, in this PS case, Lordship, he has been thrown arrested, Lordship. And as on that, Lordship, 88 days behind the bar, Lordship. Considering the length of detention, Lordship. All cases are similar, Lordship. Similar allegation is there, similar materials are there, Lordship. So what happened, Lordship? The IO informed that we are going to file a petition for extension. Later on,
Give the case there.
Lordship.
later on, again, PP submit before this honorable court that he did not file any petition, Lordship. So only 2 days left and vacation will be start from tomorrow, Lordship. Considering the aspects, Lordship, I may be allowed to on bail, Lordship.
And also, there are 3 other cases of similar nature pending.
And as per my knowledge, this is the last case where he is behind the bar.
Is from the CDI mistake. Just to, my lord, give a light on the case, my lord. Page 16, your lordship can see the forwarding, my lord.
In this case, Lordship, what happened? Another co-accused has already been enlarged on bail, Lordship. Rahul Mohan, Lordship, by this honorable court, Lordship. आगे आता कैसे थे इसी के सब कुछ मिला है एकदम कुछ different ये हो गया এই তেতিয়া 90 days complete হৈ গ'ল তেতিয়া ক'লে যে নাই এগ্ৰি কৰা নাই এলাও কৰা কিন্তু ফাইলে কৰা নাই সেইটো কোনটো কেছ সেইটো আমি বেল পালো পৰহিনে তাৰ দিনা সিদিনাখিনি ইয়াতে হৈছিলে আৰু বেলেগ ক'ৰবাত আছে নেকি মই জানাত নাই আগতে সেইটো হৈছিল এইবিলাকত পাইছে এই 15 আগষ্টৰ ইনচিডেণ্টটো গোটেই এটা পালে এইটো লাভ এইটো লাভ
Not possible.
Lordship. Lordship in
Considering the detention not possible here. All are not alike.
Lordship.
Right.
Lordship. As on
Whatever you say, it's not possible.
Lordship in
If you
Pandazar
get a
PS.
default wall, that is up to you. But if you want the order, you know the circumstance.
Lordship, day after tomorrow, 90 day will be complete, Lordship. In
The appropriate court for default. Nothing else. Materials are different. That's why you look after the case there.
Lordship, this is a 15 August incident. Panbazar PS case.
See, in
that
some
case,
cases, you in Panbazar PS case, you got a default bail, right?
yes, Lordship.
Here also try to get it.
Lordship.
If you withdraw, otherwise you'll reject it. We'll leave it to you. You have a chance of filing a default bond. That's all. Materials are against you.
I may be allowed to withdraw.
With this kind of materials in the case there,
Lordship.
it is difficult.
Considering that from tomorrow, Lordship, vacation court will start.
So, okay, default bail, whatever it is required.
So, Lordship, one Rahul Mohan, Lordship, he was allowed to go on bail in this case, Lordship. I have.
Yes, we know.
Lordship.
We have seen the case record.
Yes, Lordship.
You better. You are Mr.
Yes, Ali, Lordship.
For the petition. And Mr. Petitioner namely certain was arrested on 24/09/2024 in connection with Patna PS case number 13. possible. There is the case there. It is before the court by Mr. Gutlam Laration. At this stage, on instruction to petition, Mr. Page forward the parallel petition is not correct.
Obliged.
Yeah, please also.
Look, by this, I have filed lordship. I pay for 10 days time to appear before the court below. Lordship has passed the order at page number 13. But the petitioner is out of station. He went to the Geneva lordship to attend a seminar. Lordship. I have annexed my lord flight ticket as well as the invitation card at page number 14 onwards. Lordship. Come back to Guwahati lordship on 14 lordship. On 10 days time, an interim order may be continued. Lordship was passed at page number 13. Lordship. Directed me to appear on or before 6/12/2024, but he was out of station lordship at that time.
Where are the boarding pass?
Lordship.
Where are the boarding pass?
Lordship, at page number 16. The ticket lordship, he went to the on from Gopinath, Guwahati to Kolkata on 22nd November. And these are the CLA lordship. And page number 20 is he come back lordship. Delhi to Guwahati. 14 lordship.
Because of by which date you are supposed to appear?
Lordship, I get page number 13 on 6/12/2014 lordship.
On 6/12.
Yes, Lord.
When did you leave?
On 22nd lordship.
Where is that 22nd?
At page number 16 lordship. Page number 16 kindly lordship. Electronic ticket receipt from Guwahati Gopinath Bodoloi International Airport to Kolkata. Then again Kolkata to Abu Dhabi. Then my lord Abu Dhabi to Geneva. Like this lordship. Page number 16 lord.
Then
lordship, my page number 20 I come back lordship. Delhi to Guwahati on 14 December lordship. 14 December he Guwahati lordship. Now he want to appear lordship. Because the order is expired. So therefore 10 days time lordship. He will appear lordship. Since charges are submitted.
page number 19.
Lordship.
What is page number 19?
19. Guwahati to Delhi. December.
I think he again goes to Delhi.
That is up to you.
Can you also only tell us?
See, come to page number 70.
70.
What is the date you reach Guwahati?
On Guwahati Lordship on 8 Lordship. Then again go to the Delhi Lordship.
Can you go in?
On 8 also, my lord, the order expired. Lordship.
It is not your case. Thereafter, you have not approached this court. After coming back from Delhi, according to you, will do it.
Only I pay for only 10 days time, Lordship, I will appear. Lordship. Till then,
Tell us a genuine reason. When you have come to know on 8th, you could have do it on 9th itself.
Yes, Lord.
Then
He again
he left.
Yes, Lord. He again went.
Left on 12th.
Yes, Lord.
8 to 12, but a long back. Because it's from Monday to Thursday.
Yeah, there's some
Would
communication.
have appeared on the 9th. We'd have asked you to appear on 10th or 11th.
Some communication get is there.
Oh, it is your own will you are moving around. You roam around.
no. Yeah, कोई extra file. Only 10 days time may be given. Lordship.
Not, will not do that. When you are aware of the order,
Yes, sir.
thereafter you took a chance to go back to from Guwahati to Delhi again. You can under past lot we can understand. You're not there. This time we will not consider.
Lordship, at least short time may be given. Lordship. Till
We don't know. There has to be a genuine reason,
Yes,
Mr.
Lordship.
Counsel.
Lordship. Because my lord, on 8 also, my lord, the order expired, Lordship, on 6.
Might have expired. That is why since the order has
Yes,
expired,
I
let me
have-
go to Delhi and come back, roam around and then we'll file the application.
Okay.
That is your motto.
There's some communication job is also there.
Nothing doing.
Item number 1.
नहीं लिखता.
Since the court is examining the correctness of the tribunal's order dated 3008-2023 in its extraordinary powers under the writ jurisdiction, as have been elaborated by the apex court laid down in the parameters under which such an exercise is to be undertaken, on the facts discussed and the records examined, this court is disinclined to accept the contentions of the petitioner and therefore finds no merit in the present writ petition. This court is not persuaded to interfere with the opinion dated 3008-2023 passed by the Foreigners Tribunal Boxa and Tamulpur, Assam, which is impugned in the present writ petition. Writ petition is therefore devoid of merit and the same is dismissed, no other is to cost. Remit the records to the Foreigners Tribunal Boxa and Tamulpur immediately along with a copy of this order. Registry to also forward a copy of this order to the Superintendent of Police, Border, Boxa, for doing its needful.
Check the account statement, my lord. Some UPI transactions are there, but cannot be said from where they have a series of UPI transactions in their account manner. And that has been seized by the IO now.
Today is 89 days or 88 days.
My lord, today is, it will be
Since the, if will count from,
88 days, my lord.
from date of arrest, your lordship. My lord, school kids are there. Important examinations are coming up, your lordship. So they will be missing 1 year, your lordship, if they will not be released on that. And they are also not asking interrogation or custodial interrogation anymore. And we are ready to cooperate if at all investigation is left out, your lordship. And since from the beginning, we have been just cooperating. And they have not deposited any money in our accounts, your lordship, or any hard case in our hand. Simply this
And
is
Mr. S. Millie, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. MP Goswami and additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. And it's saying, right. One, two, three. Yes. Arrested on 22/09/2022. That's it. As per the FIR dated 19/09/2024 lodged before the officer in charge of Orporo Police Station, Dibrugarh. It fixes that the complainants, resident of Guru Dhoria, Madhupur area under Barupura Police Station, were attached with the DAAI Act since June 2020. Taking and joined the state act, having faith on the petition number 1, who introduced the state act to them. Most of it. But the state act, they have invested about 1 crore of rupees. But since 1907-2024, they did not receive any amount invested by them since 26/07/2024. All their investment in the said DAAI app have been removed. It is the petitioner number 1 who brought this DAAI app to Upper Assam and induced numbers of simple villages, inducing them to invest in the same and thereby have taken a huge amount of their money. Accordingly, petitioner stated that petition number 1 is serving in a missionary English academy and has been wrongly implicated in the case by the complainants. The thing further submitted that the complainants of their own have invested the said invested their money with the said app. Here is the case that is placed before the court by Mr. M. It is seen that it is the petitioner with his brother, petition number 2, introduced the said app to the resident of said village. Resident of village of Gurudhoria, Madhupur. And case record indicates that they receive certain amount in their accounts from some unknown sources occasionally. It is also seen that the petitioners were arrested on 20 and since then into custody. As on date, petitioners are 88 days in custody. It's ready. And they have to tomorrow is Sunday. Case there is available with the public prosecutor. Full stop. Hardly there is any chance of filing starts it in the case by Sunday, 22nd December, by which the petition is complete. Yes, it is the period of 10 seconds. Right. Already, 1 lakh টাকা each, 2 local charities, on which will be a government appear before the concerned twice in a week, Monday, Thursday, for the next 4 English calendar months. or the filing of the charge sheet, whichever is that. On thereafter, as and when he is required. Yes. Before the office, before the, or before the court. Like magistrate, as that is. Not the condition. Session judge. Dibrugarh.
But may kindly record objections.
Give level His Lordship.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, today is 91 days and we are entitled to for default bail.
Charge sheet
lordship.
file.
Order has been passed.
Lordship, that I'll have to Lordship call for the record, Lordship, because on the last occasion, this matter has been listed before Justice found, Lordship. It has been remitted to this court, Lordship. And in the meantime, Lordship, charge sheet has been filed.
Why it has come before this court otherwise? Earlier rejected.
No, no.
Not rejected, lordship. He has prayed before that court, lordship, that this matter,
Mukesh Agarwal's case has been
this
rejected.
matter may be listed before appropriate bench,
Yes,
lordship.
arising
Yes,
out of
great,
same
lordship.
FIR. Mukesh Agarwal, Lordship.
His submission is that it was appropriate court for hearing this matter, lordship. And lordship, today 91 days and I am entitled for default bail, lordship.
Definitely, if
And
charge sheet has not been
Sir-
filed, then they definitely will get it.
Yes, lordship. Charge sheet, they may produce the charge sheet, lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
Otherwise, lordship, CBI has filed part by part charge sheet, lordship. One charge sheet has been,
Charge sheet again.
one charge sheet has been filed, lordship, on 18/11 against one accused, lordship. Against other accused, charge sheet has not been filed as per my knowledge, lordship. So, lordship, this is not the final charge sheet, lordship. And I have a relevant judgment, lordship, of the apex court, lordship, that once charge sheet is incomplete, then
So was such judgment from the Supreme Court.
yes, lordship, would
Right.
not extinguish
If there
the,
are large number of accused in a case. Or
yes,
there are
lordship.
investigations goes on, the charge sheet should be filed with regard to all the accused persons at a time. Is there any judgment of the apex
Yes,
court
lordship, I have the judgment. lordship.
with regard to all the accused persons at a time?
At a time, lordship, if investigation is incomplete, then we
When,
will entitle for,
when there are large numbers of accused in a case and investigation goes on,
lordship,
right? Have you read?
kindly peruse the,
Just listen, have you perused the Bombay blast case?
no, lordship, no,
Have you perused?
no, lordship. I have perused the judgment,
That is why we are asking you. Have you
Yes.
perused the Bombay blast case?
Bombay blast case.
How many charges were filed in that?
Lordship, kindly peruse this, lordship.
Definitely. give it.
So
This
far,
is
I know,
latest
Lordship.
judgment of
So
Supreme
far, I know,
Court,
Lordship,
lordship.
regarding default bail, Lordship. If there are number of accused and if all the accused are behind bar and the accused person against whom charge sheet was not filed, he is entitled for default bail. But against whom charge sheet has been
Lordship,
filed,
let
he is
him
not.
produce the final charge sheet, lordship.
Against her, it's a final charge
Somebody is in the review stage. This case is going on, review is going on.
Review is good.
Are you aware?
No, lordship. Not.
Ritu Chavade is presently at the review.
Lordship, otherwise 91 days, lordship, he could not
Yes,
produce the
sir.
final charge sheet,
Show us
lordship.
that evidence.
How can I produce the charge sheet? It is in the court.
Then submit the number,
You make your
lordship.
submission to the court. Don't look at
Then
me and
sir-
make your submission.
Ask him to submit the number, lordship, date.
Yes.
It will be difficult.
Lordship, I just got the information from the IO. Charge sheet number I can give, Lordship.
That will not do.
Charge sheet file on 44/24. Charge sheet number and it was filed on 18/12.
There has to be an endorsement, right?
Lordship.
By the Court of Learned Special Judge.
Lordship.
So was that endorsement sufficient?
Lordship, may kindly give me some time then, Lordship. Some time, Lordship. Within, if the IO, it is in the case that has also been produced. So nothing will remain in our hand, Lordship. Lordship will call for the scan
We
copy.
will not copy, you will just tell us if the charge sheet has been endorsed by the district or any order has been passed on that basis yesterday.
No. On 18/12, it has been filed. 18/12. Let me give Lordship, may kindly give me 2 minutes time, Lordship. I'll take the instructional.
You have to show us the order
Order
to
will
that
be-
extent.
The order,
The
Lordship,
initial of the current special judge in
Lordship.
the order sheet or in the search sheet.
Not.
At
Lordship,
least there will be in the search sheet.
Not. Lordship, may kindly pass over the matter for time limit. I'll just take it.
Even if you guys kindly indicate, otherwise we'll pass the order
Lord.
according to the default bill.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Yes, yesterday's matter, I think.
Yes, Lordship. CD has been received, Lordship. Here the present petitioner, Lordship, he is accused number 5, Lordship.
Accused number 2.
Accused number 2, I'm sorry, Lordship. And Lordship is already produced, Lordship. He escaped with 1 cow, Lordship, according to the statement of the other co-witnesses.
He's also among that group,
Yes, yes,
the red cow and the white cow.
yes. One
Red
of,
bullock, white bullock.
Yes.
What happened? He is for the white bullock or the red bullock?
I think he escaped with the red bullock, Lordship, if I'm not wrong.
3 persons were arrested.
Yes. White cow, Lordship.
Pardon, Mr. AW Women Council appearing for the.
My lord, the cow was recovered from accused number 5, my lord, in the FIR. I am only his neighbor of the informant, my lord. And I
Which
don't,
cow?
one of the cows, my lord, was recovered from the residence of accused number 5 in the FIR. I have nothing to do with it. I am only his neighbor, my lord, and I have his old enmity with me. Because there was a theft, he put my name also, my lord. I will appear before the police, my lord.
Then produce the cow.
I am not aware of it.
Then the consequences follow.
My lord, just because I have an old enmity with him.
Question of enmity is not there. You are enmity with one person. What about the other?
Your lordship
There
has
are
already
some people
granted
arrested.
bail to them, my lord. I will appear before the police, my lord.
Them was arrested from whom the cow was found. One of the.
No, my lord, the cow was the cow was seized from the residence of accused number 5, my lord. The 5 is answerable for it, my lord. My lord may protect me, I will appear before the police.
Appearing will not help. If
My
you
lord,
can produce
in
the
this
cow,
case,
definitely
my
will
lord,
allow
my
you.
custodial detention is not required, my lord. There is a
Produce
bad
the cow,
statement,
Mr.
just bad statement that 1, 2, 3, 4 has stolen my cows, my lord. Nothing apart from that.
Persons are seeking, apprehending his arrest. Taking bail. As for the affair of the case, लिखने लिखा था ना? उनका लिखी था सके, the villagers arrested. Mr. Raman, counsel appearing for the petition on instruction submitted that the one of the bullock was recovered from the FIR named Taki number 5, minor son of US of village to family. And he has enmity with the said person. And that's why he has been implicated. It is also submitted on behalf of the petitioner that he is no way connected with the case and shall avoid by any terms of condition that may be imposed upon him bluntly rearrest. There is a case record, case they are replaced before the court by Mr. Sharma. It is seen that 3 of the accused persons involved in the case have already been arrested. One of them was released on bail yesterday. The statement of the independent witnesses recorded so far by the concerned investigating officer as well as the arrested accused persons. They have implicated the petitioner that when villagers seized them, the petitioner along with the affair name person number 5, leaving the red color block fled away with the white color block that was stolen from the house of the township of the finding sufficient incriminating materials in the case there. Further, the said block is there to be recovered. Considering such incriminating materials against the petitioner to be involved against crime. Create aspect, but stands. 46.
Lordship.
Do you think he needs a consideration? Tell us,
Lordship,
Mr. Gautam.
one aspect is there, your lordship. If what has fallen from your lordship is correct. There is your lordship, there is also some miscommunication from our part also, since he has been in Zurich, your lordship, we could not, your
He
lordship.
returned, again he left. That is the reason we
No,
are asking, why should we consider?
in between your, there is a communication gap between, we have not stated as such, but there is a communication gap between the lawyers and the present person. Otherwise, your lordship, he has complied with the direction.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow, your lordship.
have to be by tomorrow.
Lordship. But your lordship's order.
It will come out by 4 o'clock if I can
Lord,
write.
Lord, deeply obliged.
Let him come.
I'll
talk,
talk, yeah. About it.
The information live or not to live. Beleg mat. मतलब
47.
47 full.
After he'll, okay, your lordship. He's coming.
48.
48 full. Okay. We'll pass the order during the course of the day. We have gone through the case diary. We'll consider. We'll pass the order. You'll get the order during the course of the day.
Lordship, already, senior counsel, Mr. Bhattad has.
It will be in his name, assisted by you. Put the matters together. We'll pass the order.
Lordship, same.
50.
There will be a specific direction to the courts also. We have gone through. Will be released on bail on default bail. And there will be direction to all the courts of the district judiciary that while remanding the matters, they have to verify first as to when the such accused who are in custody or UTP are having this 60 or 90 days. They have to be aware and they accordingly have to be fixed. Fault of the court.
Deeply obliged.
51.
But Mr. Nawaz, you'll get the order probably we'll try to do whatever is possible during the time. We'll try to have it because there's people. Otherwise, you'll get it tomorrow.
Lordship has already heard it, your lordship.
We have seen some decisions. I was in the library, in fact, day for yesterday. Yesterday, I didn't have time. And then, thing is, there's two things we found. He was an unauthorized. Without having, that is the consideration. Had it been there in any passport and all, things should have been different. And without a passport, it is not possible. That's the
I leave it to your lords.
Only that is the ground we are rejecting for that. And because we do not have any, that is, in fact, we try to find out in the air manual also, that is non-extendable objection and reasons we get it only there. But the old book we try to find out. Library has provided to me yesterday. I was going through it today during the lunch. So that is the only the reason is he entered India without any validity.
Obliged.
That's rejected.
Deeply obliged.
One, Mr. Halloy, we are allowing that bail item to go to. No. 50 we are allowing bail.
50, Gojan Limbo.
Because your affair was, your charge was, you have filed on 4th, but he's already covered his statutory period earlier to that. Yes. Any information?
34, I've just given the order.
Heard. MSG Decca, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioners. As well as Mr. B. Sharma, Additional Public Prosecutor, Assam, and Mr. M. Haloi, Special Public Prosecutor, CBI, for the response number 2.
Lordship, I am not appearing the case.
Party is there. That's right. You have to appear for one. Petitioners, namely such and such, were arrested on
21/9.
21/09/2024 in connection with forensic. Subsequently, the Paltan Bazar PS case number was such as added over to CBI, and that was re-registered as CBI, CBI, I think so. Wait, first. This is New Delhi or Guwahati?
Lordship, New Delhi, EO3, Economic Offense.
CBI, comma, EO, dash capital Roman 3, comma, New Delhi. RC 221-2024, capital E 0013, public 2024. Ms. Dekkal, under appearing for the petition as submitted. That considering the detention in such and such date, today is 98th day.
91 days.
And as such, they are entitled for default bail. 91 days. Please take your seat. Today is 90 days, I believe.
If
Today is
include
90 days.
date of arrest,
September
Lordship,
19.
Lordship, if we include the date of arrest 21, then it is 91 days, Lordship.
How come you are calculating 21?
21 date of arrest. September, then 10 days, Lordship.
On the other hand, Mr. Haloi, Learned Special Public Prosecutor for the CBI, placed before the court that the CBI on
1812.
18/12/2024 submitted a search sheet against the submitted a search sheet under sections 120B, 409, 420, 477 within bracket capital A, IPC, read with section 61 within bracket 2, numerical 2, oblique 316, within bracket numerical 5, oblique 318, within bracket numerical 4, oblique 344, 4 of BNS, related sections 21, within bracket 1, within bracket 2, within bracket 3, oblique 23, oblique 25, of the Banning and Unregulated Deposit Schemes Act 2019. Right, CS number?
CS number, Lordship. 44, 44,
Article লিখেছিল।
44. 44, 20, oblique to 2024.
On 18/12/2024, with list of documents and list of witnesses, list of articles, and that the Learned Special Judge CBI Assam Additional Court number 1 on 18/12/2024 itself have endorsed the said charge sheet. In view of the as such, next step. It is seen that since the charge sheet has been filed on 18/12/2024, as noted above, against the petitioner, the same being within the statutory period of time prescribed by law, the petitioner is not entitled for her default bail. Petitioners are not entitled. As the charge sheet has been filed in the case like mentioned above, the petitioners may approach the appropriate forum for their regular bail. The observations are in this sense disposed of.
Wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy